Hey guys, this is how I made breast cancer classification on the Breast Cancer Wisconsin dataset. So first we import pandas. We look at the dataset. Um, so let me just show this to you quickly. So when we get the info of the dataset, we can see that all of these are numbers except for this one. So this one, the diagnosis is a string of M or B for malignant or benign. The unnamed 32 column, it has 0 non-null, meaning it's only null values, so that's not going to help us. So what we do here is we drop the unnamed 32 and the ID because the ID it's random, so it has no correlation. Then we want to turn the M and B's into 0 or 1s. So we can do that just by making a function that'll do that for us, then applying it to that column. So as we can see, it worked. So now we get into building the actual model and the pipeline for the model. So we get the X and Y. So the Y is the value of the diagnosis field because that's what we want to predict. And then X is everything else. So that's called our features. X is our features and Y is our labels. We split into training and testing sets. And then we use a standard scaler to make sure everything is on the same range, so nothing has more of a weight on the model than anything else. And then we make a classifier with 4 neighbors. So how KNNs work is it takes the neighbors, the n, like the k number of closest neighbors. So in this case it's 4, and it'll see which one is the most common, and then it will classify as the new point as one of those. And so we make the pipeline, we fit our data, we fit our model using our data, and then we make 2 in this case, one for scaled and one for unscaled. So the accuracy with scaling is higher than the accuracy without. However, what we do is we plot the AUC. So the AOC is actually higher for the unscaled one than it is for the scaled one, and that could be because of overfitting or maybe just predicting only only positive, or yeah, so there could be problems with that. So generally it's better to standardize your data when you're working with a KNN. So that's what we do in this case. We use the standardized one. So we get the precision and recall, and yeah, so that is the model. As you can see, the scaled one is more balanced rather than the unscaled one. And yeah, so thanks for watching.